Good morning this Monday, the 4th of September. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Ranked. Favourable jobs data out in the US boosted investor sentiment on Friday to close out a winning week on Wall Street. The Dow Jones added 0.3% on Friday, while the S&P 500 rose 0.18% and the Nasdaq fell 0.02% on Friday's closing bell. For the week though, the Dow Jones and Nasdaq each added 1.4% and 3.3% respectively, while the S&P 500 rose 2.5%. Non-farm payrolls data out in the US on Friday showed the unemployment rate ticked higher to 3.8% in August, well above economists' expectations of a hold at 3.5%. The rise in unemployment provides a further signal that the Fed's aggressive interest rate hikes are proving effective in cooling the US tight labour market. Following recent favourable data being released, the market has factored in a 93% chance the Fed will hold interest rates at the next meeting, according to CNBC. Dell Technologies soared 21% on Friday after reporting stronger than expected earnings in the latest quarterly update and results. Over in Europe, it was a mixed session on Friday as key US data and a lag in automaking stocks weighed on investor sentiment in the region. Auto stocks fell 2.6% on Friday after a survey out of Germany showed a deterioration in sentiment among automakers, with almost half saying a lack of orders is impeding production. The Stoxx 600 closed flat on Friday. Germany's DAX fell 0.7%, the French CAC lost 0.27%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 rose 0.34%. Locally, the ASX 200 fell 0.37% on Friday, weighed down by the healthcare sector, falling 1.42%, while utility stocks lost just shy of 1%. Qantas shares have been heavily sold off in recent sessions following the national carrier facing a record corporate penalty of $600 million from the consumer watchdog for allegations that Qantas was selling tickets for around 8,000 allegedly already cancelled flights in May and June in 2022. This comes alongside the airline facing scrutiny for making it very difficult for customers to access and use flight credits of $570 million in total value for flights cancelled during the COVID-19 era. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 0.57% higher at $86.04 a barrel. Gold is flat at $1,939 an ounce, and iron ore is down 0.43% at $117 a tonne. One Aussie dollar is buying 65 US cents, 94.28 Japanese yen, 51.24 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 9 cents. Ahead of the local trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are expecting the local market to open 0.43% higher ahead of a big week on the economic data front this week, including the RBA interest rate decision tomorrow, GDP growth rate data out tomorrow, and trade balance out later this week. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has downgraded Resimac Group from a buy to a hold and slightly decreased the 12-month price target from $1.12 to $1.09 in the back of the company releasing mixed FY23 results, including home loan book shrinking 14% to $13.1 billion, while net interest income decreased to $222.5 million from $238.1 million. And Bell Potter's analyst expects the home loan book to decline 4% in FY24 before returning to growth in FY25. And Bell Potter has decreased the price target on X-Tech from 80 cents per share to 70 cents per share and maintained a buy rating on the defence manufacturer following the release of the company's FY23 results that beat both guidance and Bell Potter estimates. The downgrade in price target was due to Bell Potter having a lack of visibility over future revenue, which is weighing on the share price. However, this is not uncommon in the defence industry. Bell Potter is awaiting updates on the referenced multiple large ballistic orders and multiple-year new SUAS support contracts shortly. And that's all we have time for today. Have a wonderful Monday, and as always, happy investing.